Free article. Join over 1 million premium members and get more in-depth stock guidance and research. Global E Online Ltd GLBE Q4 2021 earnings call transcript by Motley False transcribing February 16, 2022 at 9:30 p.m. You are reading a free article with opinion that may differ from the Motley False premium investing service. Become a Motley Fool member today to get instant access to our top analyst recommendations, in-depth research, investing resources, and more. Learn more. LBE earnings call for the period ending December 31, 2021. Global E Online Ltd GLBE monthly 6.24%. The Motley Fool transcript earning call February 16, 2022 4:30 p.m. Yet content prepared remarks, questions and answers. Call participants prepared remarks. Operator, greeting and welcome to the Global E fourth quarter and year end 2021 सही गल है earnings call. This call is being simultaneously webcast on the company's website in the investors section under news events. Operator instructions. As a reminder, this conference is being recorded for opening remarks and introductions. LD now like to turn the conference over to Rika Manion at Sapphire Investor Relations. Nasdaq GLBE Global E Online Ltd expand Global E today's change monthly 6.24% dollars 2.64 current price $39.69. Please go ahead. Rika Manion, Investor Relations, Motley Fool Returns Stock Advisor, a Motley Fool service market beating stocks from our award winning service. Stock Advisor returns for 97%, SP 500 returns 132%, 132%, calculated by average return of all stock recommendations since inspection of the stock advisor service is February of 2002. Returns as of 02 20 2022. Discounted offers are only available to new members. Stock advisor list price is $199 per year. Join stock advisor. Thank you and good afternoon. With me today from Global ER Amir Seculet, co-founder and chief executive officer of Korean, Korean chief financial officer, and Nir Devi, co-founder and president. Amir will begin with a brief review of the business results for the fourth quarter and years ended December 31, 2021. Offer will then review the financial results for the fourth quarter and year ended December 31, 2021, followed by the company's outlook for the first quarter and full years of 2022. Safe, safe, and the safe harbor provisions of the U.S. Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995 that relate to the current expectations and views of future events. These forward-looking statements are subject to risks, uncertainties, and assumptions, some of which are beyond our control. Invest smarter with the Motley Fool. Join over 1 million premium members receiving new stock picks each month, details analysis of companies' model portfolios, live streaming during market hours, and much more. Get started now. 10 stocks we like better than Global E Online Ltd. When our award-winning analyst team has a stock tip it can pay to listen. After all, the newsletter they have run for over a decade. Motley Fool Stock Advisor has tripled the market. They just revealed what they believe are the 10 best stocks for investors to buy right now, and Global E Online Ltd wasn't one of them. That's right, they think these 10 stocks are even better, boys. See, see, see the 10 stocks. Stock Advisor returns as of January 2022. In addition, these forward-looking statements reflect our current views with respect to future events and are not a guarantee of future performance. Actual outcomes may differ materially from the information contained in the forward-looking statements as a result of a number of factors, including those set forth in the section titled Risk Factors in our prospectus filed with the SEC on September 30, 2021, and other documents filed with or furnished to the SEC. These statements reflect management's current expectations regarding future events and operating performance, and speak only as of the date of this call. You should not put undue reliance on any forward-looking statements. Also, we believe that the expectations reflection in the forward-looking statements are reasonable. We cannot guarantee that future results, levels of activity, performance, and events and circumstances reflected in the forward-looking statements will be achieved or will occur expect as required by applicable law. We undertake no obligation to update or revise publicly any forward-looking statements, whether as a result of new information, future events, or otherwise after the date on which these statements are made, or to reflect the occurrence of unanticipated events. Please refer to our press release dated February 16, 2022 for additional information. Certain metrics we will discuss today are non GAAP metrics. The presentation of this financial information is not intended to be considered in isolation or as a substitute for or superior to financial information prepared and presented in accordance with GAAP. We use these non-GAAP financial measures for financial and operating decision making as a means to evaluate period to period comparisons. We believe that these measures provide useful information about operating results, enhance the overall understanding of past financial performance and future prospects, and allows for greater transparency with